Hi friends, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the round 2 counseling of Comet K 2020, and here I will discuss how to rearrange the choice now. It means if you don't get seat in first round, now then how many choice you should fill so as to get the best college for your rank and how to rearrange them. And I will talk about the schedule of round 2 that is tentative, that may be changed or not, but until now it is certain that it will go as the schedule. And the decision making that you should do after the second round allotment, and the expected rise in cutoff, the most important thing, that is the how much the cutoff will rise from first round, because in first round the cutoff is very low for every college, as many of the students don't get the desired college that they supposed to get before the counseling. So in this video I will talk about the expected rise in cutoff, that means how much the cutoff will increase in second round, and it will increase surely. So how much it can or it will increase, I will discuss that for every type of college, that is top 10, top 20 and top 30 college. And the last is how to get the refund. If you want to get the refund, don't want to take admission through Comet K counseling, then what you should do to get your refund. So watch this video till the end so that you will get all the information before the second round, so that you can do your second round of counseling wisely. And after watching this video, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram. And if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. And for videos on Comet K cutoff, and top 20 college cutoff, top 10 college, and NIT cutoff, JEE Main, WBJ, you can check I button as well as the description box. So let's start today's video with the schedule that you need to follow for the second round. First round surrender facility will end 2 p.m. 12th December. That means if you want to get your refund, do the surrender before 12th of December. If you have got seat in first round and you don't want to take admission, you want to take the refund, then do your surrender before 2 p.m. of 12th December. So next is change, edit, add, remove the choice. This facility will start from 1 p.m. of 14 December and it will continue till 5 p.m. of 16 December. This facility is for second round. Before the second round, you can change your preference, that is above allotted, edit your preference, or if you don't get any seat in first round, you can add the choice, and you can also remove the choice that is above allotment. And one thing is here to be noted, that if you remove some choice, you can't add it back, so be careful while doing so. And round 2 result will be declared at 12 noon 18 December. So wait for this date, you will get the allotment of second round on the 18th December 12th noon. And second round decision making, that is accept, upgrade, accept and freeze, reject and withdraw, this type of decision making will end at 3 p.m. on 20th of December. And the last date of reporting, that means if you have accept and freeze the choice in second round, that means you are going to take the admission, then you should do the online reporting to your respective college till 5 p.m. on 21st of December. And the surrender facility for second round will end at 1 p.m. on 22nd of December. So after second round, if you don't get seat or get seat and you don't want to take admission, you want to take the refund, then do the surrender before 1 p.m. on 22nd December. So this is all about the schedule. You need to follow this in order to do your counseling for second round of Commit K. So now is decision making and refund. So what type of decision you need to follow is, after second round result you will get completely an idea of which type of college you are getting, because after second round there will be no very big change in third round. But if from first round to second round there will be a very big change in your result and in the cutoff. So after second round you should get the desired college, or you will get an idea of which type of college you are going to get in second round, in third round, in the upcoming days. So make decision wisely, that is accept an upgrade if you think you are missing by under 1000 rank. Suppose you get a college and you want another college which is below 100 rank or 1000 rank of your rank, then do accept an upgrade, because if your rank is lagging by 1000 you can get it in third round. But if your rank is lagging 3000 4000, then you can't get. So it is better to take admission in second round or get your refund. But here one thing should be noted: if you getting a college, you, or if you are desiring for a college above top 20, then the cutoff may go increase more than 1000 2000. And that will I will discuss later in this video, how much the cutoff will increase. And accept and freeze if you got your desired seat and fully satisfied. That means you got your desired seat and you are happy to take the admission, then do accept and freeze. And for refund, reject and withdraw immediately, because there is a risk if you can't do reject and withdraw, there will be problem in your refund. So as soon as you realize that you are not going to get your seat, or you don't want to take admission, then do reject and withdraw before the scheduled time. And if you think you need to change your preference order before second round, you can do so. And I have discussed how you should rearrange your preference, or how you should add the choice in order to get the best college of your corresponding rank. So to check that video, you can check the I button, or in the description box I will provide the link, so you can check how to rearrange the choice so as to get the good college. So next is expected rise in cutoff. This is the most important topic you are thinking of. That is, the cutoff will rise in second round beyond your expectation, because in first round the cutoff is so less, so that you don't get your desired college. So you are thinking that will it increase or not. And so I will advise you to wait for second round. It will increase for sure, because in first round many of the students have rejected their seat, or accept or upgrade their seat. Then they will get another college, and their first round college will be left for other students, so the cutoff will go increase for sure. Suppose for top 10 college CSC, the cutoff might increase 1 to 2.5k. Suppose if you are getting number 8 college CSC and you want college top 7 college in CSC, then if you are lagging by 1000 rank or 2.5 thousand rank, you will get in second round for sure. So this type of increment will be takes place in the second round in the cutoff. And for ISC and EC branch, it will be 3 to 4000 rank increase in cutoff. And for CSC of top 10 to 20 college, the cutoff will increase from 5000 to 6000 as of round 1. So for ISC and EC, it will be 6 to 8k, that is of first round and then add 6 to 8k thousand rank to them, and that will be the cutoff for second round. And for beyond the top 20 colleges, the cutoff may increase above 10,000. Suppose if you are getting 28 number college or 30 number college, then the cutoff may increase 10 to 20,000 in the second round. So hope you will get your college in the second round. And if you don't get the second round, then wait for the third round. But I am sure many of you will get your desired college in second round. So this is all about the round 2 counseling of Comet K. Hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please share this video to your friends so that they can also get the information and like this video. Thanks.